sit down in squatting position. जैसे हम लोग पोछा नहीं मारते हैं, the way we wipe floor, very cautiously you should learn to squat, even if it is 8th or 9th month of pregnancy. If you learn to squat, your pelvic muscles, your cervix will learn to open up during delivery. Same holds true for PCOD as well. If you see rural life mein, in villages, women in 8th month, 9th month, they still go to the field and they do labor work. That's the reason why in village areas normal delivery is more, and in city area, because of comfort zone, our muscle tone and power is very poor, and that's the reason why there is more of cesarean delivery in the town side, that is in the city area. Am I clear with this point? Exercise, I'm laying stress on exercise, extremely important. You have to tell your client that you have to exercise. Is this clear? Please reply yes or no.
Sir, it's not happening in village women, right?
Yes.
Like all these things you told us.
Yes. Because see what happens is a healthy body and a healthy mind always keeps diseases away. So in villages, you know what happens is such types of diseases. Why the lifespan in village is more as compared to city life? It is all because of this. The diet is good, the air is purified, okay, exercising part is good, okay, the comfort zone is less, though the life is little simple, but the life is effective. Am I clear with this point of exercise?
Yes, sir.
All right, so I'll write down that the female has to exercise
because
regularly.
They are doing lot of work at home, right?
Correct. It is extremely important. So what happens is, okay, in time of today, okay, my dear lovely students, I must tell you that in time of today, we all can afford comforts of, we all can. But at some junction, we need to understand there are certain basic day-to-day routine activities which is necessary for us. Okay, I should not become so lax, so loose and dependent on comfort zone in my life that tomorrow that adds to my trouble. Am I clear with this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now, next what I'm willing to explain to you is, along with diet and exercise, then comes the role play of medicines. Now, medicines, I will make it very clear, most of the time, okay, when allopathic medicine is given, allopathy, what is usually given to the patient is oral contraceptive pills. Oral contraceptive pills. I will explain you all different lines of treatment. Everybody please listen to me very carefully. What do you understand by oral contraceptive pill?
It's a tablet.
What does that tablet do? Why it is called as contraceptive?
It prevents pregnancy.
Very nice, beta. Very good. Because this is against pregnancy. So it will prevent